Hello class, in this presentation we are going to discuss about master formula record. So we have already discussed about good manufacturing practices. So this master formula record, it is produced according to regulatory guidelines to be maintained in a particular pharmaceutical firm. So in this lecture we are going to discuss master formula record and the preparation. So this is nothing but it is a master document for any pharmaceutical product. It contains all information about the manufacturing process for the product. It is prepared by the research and development team of the company and use a reference standard for preparing batch manufacturing record by manufacturing unit. It is also called master manufacturing record, production record. So it is a document or set of documents specifying the starting material with their quantities and the packaging material together with a description of procedure and precautions required to produce a specified quantity of a finished product as well as the processing instruction including the in-process controls. These shall be master formula record. There shall be master formula record according to all manufacturing procedures for each product and batch size to be manufactured. These shall be prepared and endorsed by the competent technical staff that is head of the production quality control. This plays an important inconsistency for each batch manufactured. This product detail include name should be there, logo and address of the manufacturing company, dosage form name, brand name, generic name, product code, label claim of all ingredients, product description, batch size, pack size and packaging style. Shelf life, storage condition, MFR number and date, supersede MFR number and date, effective batch number authorized by production and quality assurance head. Flowchart step to the manufacturing process to be monitored, flowchart of the material movement from dispensing to the final products to stores, equipment, create a list of all required equipment and machines required in the manufacturing process with their capacity, special instruction, write down the precautions, special instrument to follow during the production, manufacturing and packaging, and these should be also be added in the batch manufacturing formula. Calculations include the calculation step of all active materials to get the 100% of the active material. The calculation shall be done using water or LOD to get 100% potency. Manufacturing process, write all steps in all stages of the manufacturing process. All process steps like shifting, milling, lubricating, granulating, compression and coating should be written in detail including the process time and yield. It also includes atmospheric conditions as temperature, humidity and storage for every step. Packing process, a list of all packing material with their quantity is written. Line clearance, reconciliation of printed and unprinted packing material should be included in the detail. Yield include the theoretical, actual yield and acceptance limit of the batch. Procedure to prepare master form record. A master form record is either prepared based on upon experience of competent qualified staff like manufacturing chemist or analytical chemist, or prepared based upon batch manufacturing record of a batch size. We can't ignore master formula record at any level. Once master formula record is prepared, it is transferred to previous staff to new staff. It is followed as standard document for processing a batch. Master formula record is considered as standard for making a batch manufacturing record. SOP of for the preparation of master formula record. Responsible department, primary responsibility F&D and production department, secondary responsibility quality assurance department, accountability high quality assurance should be responsible for implementation of SOP. Step to prepare a master formula record, production department in association with F&D shall prepare MFR. MFR shall prepared as per the format attached with this SOP. MFR shall be divided into two parts, packaging part, manufacturing. So the first page of both the sections shall have following detail: name, address and logo of the company, dosage form, brand name, generic name, product code and label claim. So these should include all ingredients and text included in the product permission. Product description, batch size, pack size, shelf life, storage condition, drug schedule, whether schedule H or schedule G drug, superseded master card number and date, present master card number and date, present master card effective batch number, reference to change control number. There shall be authorization of master formula record by all the responsible numbers. The secondary page of manufacturing section shall include process step to be monitored. Subsequent pages shall include the process to be monitored, the stage wise movement of the material in form of flow chart, the list of equipment, machine, utensils to be used shall be described. The subsequent page shall include any special precaution to be taken for the product during manufacturing and packing. The same page should also include batch manufacturing formula. Batch formula should have the following column: serial number, name of the ingredient, reference of specification of ingredients, quantity to be added in milligram per ml or per tablet or per capsule or per gram as case may be, overages to be added, quantity to be added per batch or per lot. So below that give the calculation step for every if active material, ensuring that the active material shall be compensated for assay values less than 100%, which could be due to less potency or higher moisture content. So at the end of every important stage, include a statement of the yield with acceptance limit, include in-process quality check during and at the end of important step and stages with their limit. Process shall include the process equipment to be used, the method or the reference of the method. Procedures to be employed for preparing, cleaning, assembling, operating the various equipment shall be given. Include detailed stepwise processing instruction, example check on material, pre-treatment sequence for adding materials, mixing time, temperature, humidity, etc. Include the requirement for storage of the product. The packaging part of MIFR should include a complete list of all the packaging material required for a standard batch size, including quantities, size and types, include line clearance checking during batch recording and batch processing, back packaging operations, include reconciliation of printed and unprinted packaging material with acceptable limit, include destruction of excess or rejected printed packaging material, include description of packaging operation, including any significant subsidiary operation and equipment to be used. So this is the one sheet that format for master formula record. Thank you.